Rajarshi Shahu College of Engineering is the flagship institute of JSPM Group.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Avinash Bardhe. Today I am going to talk about the mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is considered to be a basic branch like civil engineering, electrical engineering. But if you look at the transformation into the mechanical engineering over the period of time, now it is not only restricted to the mechanical engineering, but you will find that the computer, electronics, information technology, these all are getting embedded into the mechanical engineering. Now industries are transforming to the industry 4.0, where the concept is like machine talking to each other. And there are a lot of automation is coming into the industries, and that's why there are a lot of applications of the areas like mechatronics, then robotics engineering. So for a mechanical engineer, I think it is very much important that he obviously must have the good knowledge of the core domain like design, manufacturing, heat power engineering, HVAC technology, but along with that he must have a good knowledge of the technologies like Internet of Things, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Today the expectations of the industries are something different. The skill set which are required by the mechanical engineers are something different. Along with the core knowledge, he must have the good knowledge of the interdisciplinary domain like electronics, computer. He must have a good knowledge regarding coding. He must have a good knowledge regarding PLC programming. Not only that, but he must be a good presenter. He must be able to write down a good report, as well as he must be able to work efficiently into the team, as well as he must be a good team leader. So these are the expectations from the mechanical engineer nowadays. Along with that, now for mechanical engineers also there are a lot of opportunities available at the international level. So for a mechanical engineer, it is very much important that he should also have the good knowledge of the foreign languages like Japanese, German, French and Spanish. So this is going to add a very good value to his resume, and he will be able to explore his potential at the international level. So for a mechanical engineering, what I can say is that the opportunities are available at two ways. One is he can join the core industries in the area of design, manufacturing, quality, as well as he has got an opportunity to join the IT industries also. Because as declared by the government, by 2023, the India is going to be the biggest manufacturing hub. So looking at these opportunities at the national level, at the international level, I think there is a bright future for the mechanical engineering students and mechanical engineering branch. Thank you.
To align your passion and skills towards engineering education, come and join us to experience excellent teaching learning process at RSCOE.